Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Volkswagen Tiguan 2 litre TDI BlueMotion Tech Match DSG automatic 4-wheel drive Euro 6 start-stop ULEZ compliant. Cam belt replaced and water pump at 53,000 miles. Very good service history. This car drives beautifully. 74,000 miles in total, so diesel, auto. 11 services, 9, 19, 28, 36, 45, 46, HALDEX oil, 50, cam belt, that just goes on and on and on. Proper service history, 11 services. That's the sort of car you want to buy. Priced at 9,295, is ULEZ compliant, is automatic, is diesel, is 4-wheel drive. Has been very well maintained. Night blue metallic special order, that's that nice dark blue with a hint of sort of purpley colour in it in the sun. This car's got front park sensors, rear park sensors, self-parking assistance, so when you pull alongside a space, it will park itself, parallel park, or pull into one of these spaces like here on the right. Okay, daytime LED running lights, front fog lamps, nice alloy wheels, aluminium roof rails, privacy glass. Car's got satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, BT audio player to play your music back, space saver spare wheel, load covers in the boot. As you can see, there's the rear park sensors, alloy wheels in nice condition, Goodyear tyre on the front there, nice to see. Got fitted mats, cloth and sort of suede-y seats, multifunction leather steering wheel, tyre pressure monitoring, satellite navigation, self-parking assistant, nice and clean, automatic gearbox obviously, nice and clean in the mat, in the back, fitted mats are there. It's got the picnic tables on the backs of the front seats. 11 services, excellent service history. 4-motion, so 4-wheel drive, super clean in the boot. As I say, load covers in there, and if we look in there, space saver spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, toolkit, etc. all present and correct. Nice down this side, nice paintwork. £9,295. Drive very nicely, very popular these. We sell lots of them. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, electric windows. We've got a rubber mat on top of the carpet mat there. Automatic headlamps, leather steering wheel, 74,982 miles, 11 services. Remember, it's got sat nav, digital climate control, electronic handbrake, hill hold assist, self-parking assistant, tyre pressure monitoring. Nice car, very nice car. £9,295. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website, to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. 5243. If you head over to YouTube, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'd get a notification every time we upload a fresh car, and then you'd be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.